Don't just turn heads, make necks snap.
Hey loves, in today's video, we're showing off this gorgeous natural black 26-inch 13x4 deep wave wig. You can see how full this wig is. It's 180 density, so you're getting that thick look without feeling too heavy. The lace is transparent, which makes it easier to blend seamlessly with most skin tones. And look at these waves. They're deep, defined, and have that perfect bounce. The pre-plucked airline makes installation a lot easier, but you can always customize it to your liking. The lace is super soft, not scratchy at all, and gives you that natural melt once you install it. Let's talk about this texture. Deep wave air has that perfect combination of defined curls and natural volume. When you wet it, you get that juicy, fresh wave look. When it's dry, you get soft, full curls. And with 180 density, you're not dealing with thin ends or see-through sections. It's thick all the way through. Alright, now we're switching it up, taking off the natural color deep wave wig, and we're bringing out the 13x4 18-inch 99J Burgundy straight wig. That burgundy shade, she's bold, she's sleek, and she's about to steal the show. You can get this wig in the straight, body wave, or deep wave texture on our website at lensrq.com. Subscribe to our newsletter to get 10% off your first purchase. This is a straight texture, and you can already tell how silky and soft it is. It glides with zero tangles. One thing I love about 99J is that it works for every season. Bold enough for fall and winter, but still bright enough to pop in the summer. If you're ready to step out of the natural tones and try something new without going, let's say, neon, this is your color. Make sure to save this video for reference and let me know in the comments how you would style these wigs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair content.
Don't just turn heads, make necks snap. Introducing Lengths by Rize Kire, your ultimate destination for premium human hair. From sleek and straight to bouncy curls, they have limitless possibilities. And they even have a team of experts to help you find the perfect hairpiece that screams you. Explore their wide selection, and if you join them today, you'll receive exclusive catalog ebook and enjoy a 10% discount. Just go to lengthsrq.com.